Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video I am going to make a nameplate for kids bedroom. So let's get started. For this we'll need two waste cardboards. Now I am going to cut them in 4 equal parts. So here I am giving it a shape of arrow. Now I am cutting each cardboard like this shape. Here I am using 4 different color papers for wrapping the cardboards. Instead of R, you can also write your name. And for final touch, here I am adding stickers and glitter. Here I am using a friendship band. You can also use ribbon or lace. And now our nameplate is ready. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe, share and like.